In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to share QuickBooks with your accountant, whether it's tax season or you simply need some help managing your books. Sharing access with your accountant can make a world of difference. So, let's dive in and walk through the process step by step to ensure everything runs smoothly. First things first, you'll need to log into your QuickBooks account. Once you're successfully logged in, it's time to navigate to the settings. You'll usually find the settings represented by a gear icon located at the upper right part of your dashboard. Clicking on this will reveal a drop-down menu. From here, you'll want to select Manage Users. This section is essential as it gives you control over who has access to your QuickBooks account, providing peace of mind that only authorized individuals can view and manage your financial records. Next, within the Manage Users page, you'll notice an Accounting Firms tab. This is your gateway to inviting your accountant to gain access. Clicking on this tab will present you with your options for inviting an accountant. Look for the Invite button on this screen and go ahead and click it. QuickBooks Online allows you to invite up to 2 accountants, so if you have more than one financial advisor, you can accommodate another one as needed. Adding your accountant's details is straightforward. Here, you will need to fill in their first name, last name, and, most crucially, their email address. This ensures your invitation reaches the right person, granting them the appropriate access to assist with your financial management tasks. Now, for the final step. After entering all the necessary information, take a moment to double-check everything. Small errors, especially in email addresses, can lead to delays in granting access, which can be quite inconvenient. Once you've confirmed that everything is correct, simply click on Save. Your accountant will then receive an invitation with instructions on how to access your QuickBooks Online account. This invitation makes it easy for them to dive into your financial records and provide the assistance you need, ensuring a smooth and efficient transition of information. And there you have it. By following these simple steps, you can seamlessly share your QuickBooks Online account with your accountant, paving the way for more efficient financial management. If you have any questions about this process, feel free to reach out or explore additional guides for more tips and troubleshooting advice. Thanks for watching, and have a great day managing your finances with QuickBooks.